If you've ever published or thought about publishing a book, then you know that people do judge books by the cover. Professionally designed covers are no longer merely optional. They're considered necessary to compete in the world of book sales. People know if they're going to buy within 8 seconds. That's it. That's all the time you have. An amateurish cover causes them to expect a poorly written book. If this is the expectation that your cover generates, who on earth will buy such a book? But you already know that. You know you need a great cover, and the more professional the cover is, the easier the selling becomes. While knowing it is good, using a great cover is way, way better, because using one makes a difference between mediocre average results versus bigger profits. You want all this, right? But if you tried designing your own cover before, then you already know the problems. Gathering all the tools necessary can be complex and become too much of a hassle. Hiring someone is expensive and time-consuming. You can spend a fortune on graphic designers just to create one book cover for you. Not to mention the amount of time you'll have to go through just briefing and running through the details of their artwork. It can be overwhelming. Don't despair. I have great news. Because now there's a super easy way of creating your own book covers without using complex software like Photoshop. Welcome to Push Button Covers. Based on the design principles of best-selling books, we created an affordable bundle of 40 book cover templates covering the top niches out there. Your prospects are going to be impressed, and your book cover is going to steer their soul to act fast. You don't need to be a Photoshop expert to create your own book cover. You can modify these templates with software that you're already familiar with and probably have installed on your computer, Microsoft Word. In a nutshell, Push Button Cover makes it easy for you to quickly create your own professional book cover. All the hard work has been done for you. You just order today and download Push Button Covers to get started. You'll be able to create your first professional book cover in just 5 minutes from now. Don't regret passing this offer by.